We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the Perytong Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Perytong Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband is designed for users who want a comfortable, wireless audio solution for sleep, workouts, travel, or relaxation. This product stands out due to its unique combination of soft, elastic headband material and integrated flat speakers, making it especially appealing to side sleepers, light sleepers, and anyone who dislikes traditional earbuds or bulky headphones. The first aspect that users consistently highlight is comfort. The headband is made from a blend of felt, braided cord, and breathable mesh, which gives it a soft, hypoallergenic feel. Many reviewers mention that the headband fits snugly without being overly tight, thanks to its upgraded elastic design. This ensures that it accommodates most head sizes, both men and women, and remains secure throughout the night or during physical activity. The flat, felt-covered earpieces are a significant improvement over conventional earbuds, especially for those who sleep on their sides. Users report that the speakers do not dig into the ears or cause discomfort, even after hours of use. Some users with larger heads, however, note that the fit can be a bit tight, which may lead to some discomfort over extended periods. The sound quality of the Perytong Sleep headphones is another point of praise. While the depth of bass may not match premium brands like Bose, users are consistently impressed with the clarity and richness of the audio. The headphones deliver crisp highs and balanced mids, making them ideal for listening to music, audiobooks, podcasts, white noise, or meditation tracks. The sound is described as neither tinny nor cheap, and the overall listening experience is considered excellent for a device in this price range. The speakers are well positioned within the headband, and many users appreciate that the sound remains clear without needing to increase the volume excessively. However, some users mention that to effectively block out external noise, such as snoring or environmental sounds, the volume must be turned up significantly, which may not be suitable for everyone. Bluetooth connectivity is reliable and straightforward to set up. The headband pairs easily with smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Users rarely report connection drops or lag, and the built-in microphone allows for hands-free phone calls without removing the headband. The controls for volume, track skipping, and power are located on the top of the headband, which some users find convenient, while others mention that the buttons can be a bit challenging to locate or press, especially in the dark or when half asleep. Fortunately, most functions can also be controlled directly from the connected device, providing flexibility for different user preferences. Battery life is a standout feature of the Perytong Sleep headphones. With a full charge taking around 2 hours, the headphones can deliver over 10 hours of continuous playback, easily lasting through a full night's sleep or a long workout session. Users appreciate that the device does not emit disruptive beeps or bright lights when the battery is low. Instead, it simply powers off, minimizing sleep disturbances. Some reviewers note that the charging indicator lights can be inconsistent, occasionally showing only a red light, or switching to blue when fully charged. A few users report that the device has unexpectedly powered off during use, even when the battery appeared to be charged, which may be due to Bluetooth communication issues with certain phones. Durability and ease of maintenance are important considerations for any wearable device. The Perytong headband is constructed with durable materials and features a removable speaker design, allowing users to wash the fabric band as needed. This is particularly useful for those who use the headband during workouts or in warm climates. However, some users find the process of removing and reinserting the speakers for washing to be somewhat cumbersome. There are also reports that the speakers can shift position within the headband, which may require occasional adjustment to ensure optimal sound placement over the ears. A few users suggest that the speakers would benefit from being more securely sewn into place, though this could reduce the flexibility for individual fit adjustments. Thermal comfort is another aspect mentioned by users. The headband's soft, insulating material is appreciated during colder months, providing warmth and comfort at night, or during outdoor activities like snowshoeing. However, in hot climates or during summer, the headband can become uncomfortably warm, and some users find it less suitable for year-round use. For those who prioritize breathability, this is an important factor to consider. From a usability perspective, the Perytong Sleep headphones are versatile and adaptable to a wide range of activities. Many users initially purchase the headband for sleep but find themselves using it throughout the day for listening to music or audiobooks while working, exercising, or traveling. The headband stays in place during physical activity, and its lightweight design makes it easy to wear for extended periods without fatigue. The device also serves as a practical sleep aid for individuals dealing with snoring partners, tinnitus, or insomnia, allowing them to listen to soothing sounds without disturbing others. Several reviewers mentioned gifting the headband to family members with similar sleep challenges, with positive results. Despite its many strengths, the Perytong sleep headphones are not without drawbacks. The primary concerns raised by users include the fit for larger head sizes, the potential for the headband to become too warm, and the occasional need to adjust the speaker position. Additionally, while the headband provides some passive noise isolation, it does not fully block out loud external sounds unless the volume is set quite high. This may not be ideal for those seeking complete noise cancellation. The washing process, while manageable, could be improved with a more user-friendly design for removing and replacing the speakers. Some users also note that the device's voice prompts, such as the power off notification, can be unexpectedly loud and disruptive if triggered during sleep. Overall, the Perytong Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband offers an impressive balance of comfort, sound quality, battery life, and versatility at an affordable price point. It is particularly well suited for side sleepers, light sleepers, and anyone looking for a discreet, comfortable way to enjoy audio content without disturbing others. The headband's ability to double as a sports accessory adds to its appeal, making it a practical choice for workouts, travel, and relaxation. While there are minor areas for improvement, such as fit customization and speaker stability, the overwhelmingly positive feedback from users underscores the product's value and effectiveness. If you are searching for a solution to enhance your sleep, manage noise disturbances, or simply enjoy music and audiobooks comfortably in bed or on the go, the Perytong Sleep Headphones Bluetooth headband is a strong contender. Its thoughtful design, reliable performance, and user-friendly features make it a standout option in the growing market of wearable audio devices. As always, we encourage anyone who owns this product to share their experiences in the comments to help others make informed choices. For those interested in purchasing, the product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you detailed, unbiased reviews.